in Chef Sherman recipe book. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. They stuck a little bit, but who cares? Once they cool a little bit more, they'll be easier to handle. They get a little bit hard. But remember, there's no flour, no butter, no milk, no eggs. Just all good in cornmeal, blue cornmeal. Thank you for watching today. If you like me or what I'm saying, please subscribe and like me. Thank you.